Okay, I am in London and she's pretty cool. Like, I don't hate it, I just don't love it. Like, I thought I was really gonna love her. And I'm just kind of like, you know what I mean? Like, it's cute, but I'm not obsessed. Like, I want to be obsessed, and I'm not. I'm just not obsessed, and I want to be obsessed. And because of that, I'm going to. You guys. Oh, man. So I'm in London, and I like her. She's cute. She's cute. She's cute. Would I say she's mindful, she's demure? I don't know. But she's cute. She's cute. I don't know. I feel like I was expecting more out of London. You know what I mean? Like, I guess I just thought I was expecting more. How do I say this? I don't see the sky. And I know you're probably like, well, Bernetta, like it's winter time. I don't see the sky. I haven't seen the stars in the sky in London. I've been here for like 8 to 10 days. 10 days. Nothing. I haven't seen a single star. Haven't seen the moon. The moon. The moon. I haven't seen the moon in London. And then there was I went to Westminster Abbey and I figured out why I don't see the sun in the sky or the stars or the moon. Then that's all I'll say about the matter, because that's all I'll say about it. But yeah, we're about to go to another place because I can't do it. I physically am like, I started getting sick when I was in Westminster. And I'm sure a lot of people say that mainly because it's old, but just thinking about it. But yeah, I don't know what time it is, but I'm pretty sure my train is like in 5 hours. And I have to be there in 4 hours because the international train. So I'm just gonna get there super early and get a tea and sit there. Also, I specifically booked a seat where no one would be. Please tell me why somebody is beside me. Whoever is in car, we're having a tussle tomorrow because you saw me. You didn't need to pick the same seat. You didn't. And you did. You catching these hands tomorrow. No, I'm kidding. No, for real, I am kidding. Although, how rude. Like, how rude, sir, ma'am. You know what I mean? Like, it's 6 a.m. You think I want to share space with you? A stranger? Mm-mm. But thank God it's a straight flight. I mean, it's a straight train. Because that's one thing about y'all Europeans. Oh my gosh. They will be so quick to get a train to a bus to a train. What? No, I'm not doing it. That is God's sign of like, girl, it's not for you. It's not your time. Absolutely. And it shan't. And it's not. Honestly, I love you guys for watching this. I am just, I mean, we're just doing it. We're just doing this. I would love to know what kind of content you all want to see, because do you want to see like the hotel? Do you want to see where I stay? Do you want promo codes, stuff like that? Do you want reviews on the places that I stay? Like, just tell me what you want. I will create it, because I'm like, I don't know what y'all even want to see. So I just am recording a ton of stuff, and then it makes no sense after to me. But maybe that's the point. I don't know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna catch this train in a couple hours, so I'll talk to you soon.